The automotive landscape in the United States is changing rapidly, with automakers focusing on blending luxury, practicality, and efficiency in one package. Toyota, a brand known for reliability and innovation, has stepped up once again with the introduction of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia. Replacing the Toyota Venza in the U.S. market, the Crown Signia is designed to deliver a refined driving experience, a premium interior, advanced safety technologies, and impressive hybrid efficiency. Positioned as a luxury-oriented crossover SUV, the 2025 Crown Signia brings Toyota's Crown family into the American mainstream, offering buyers a new level of sophistication in the midsize SUV segment. The Toyota Crown Signia marks a significant step forward for the brand as it continues expanding its Crown lineup globally. Historically, the Crown nameplate has been associated with prestige and luxury in Japan for decades, and with the arrival of the Crown Signia in the US, Toyota intends to carry that same reputation overseas. This new crossover blends a sleek coupe-like silhouette with SUV practicality, ensuring it appeals to modern families and individuals seeking both style and substance. The Crown Signia is more than just a replacement for the Venza. It is a bold statement by Toyota about where it sees the future of its crossover SUVs. From the outside, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia makes an immediate impression with its bold and upscale styling. The vehicle adopts Toyota's hammerhead front fascia design, which has become a signature across its latest models. Slim LED headlights integrate seamlessly into a wide front grille, creating a sharp and futuristic look. The sleek roofline, sculpted side panels, and aerodynamic profile give the Crown Signia a sophisticated presence, while the muscular stance emphasizes strength and capability. Available in a range of premium paint finishes, including eye-catching shades like bronze oxide and storm cloud, the Crown Signia looks every bit as premium as its luxury-badged rivals. Its 21-inch alloy wheels and chrome accents further enhance the upscale appearance, ensuring that the Crown Signia will stand out in any environment, from suburban neighborhoods to urban streets. Step inside, and the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia continues to impress with a luxurious and technology-packed cabin. Toyota has paid close attention to detail, using high-quality materials throughout the interior to create a welcoming and premium environment. Soft touch surfaces, available leather upholstery, and elegant wood or metallic style trim accents give the cabin a high-end feel that rivals even some luxury brands. The spacious interior comfortably seats 5 passengers, with ample headroom and legroom in both the front and rear. The wide panoramic sunroof enhances the sense of openness, while ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere during nighttime drives. Technology is at the heart of the Crown Signia's interior experience. Dominating the dashboard is a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, powered by Toyota's latest multimedia system. It offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. The digital experience is further enhanced by a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, which provides customizable displays for navigation, driving data, and safety alerts. A high-quality JBL premium audio system with 11 speakers delivers crystal-clear sound, making road trips more enjoyable. Multiple USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad, and cloud-based navigation add to the convenience factor, ensuring that the Crown Signia is as tech-savvy as its modern buyers expect. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is offered exclusively with a hybrid powertrain. Reflecting Toyota's commitment to electrification and efficiency. It comes equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's hybrid system, delivering a combined output of around 240 horsepower. Power is sent through an electronic continuously variable transmission (ECVT), ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The hybrid system not only provides strong performance but also outstanding fuel efficiency for its class, with Toyota targeting an estimated 36 miles per gallon combined. For buyers who prioritize capability, Toyota offers the Crown Signia with all-wheel drive as standard, giving it enhanced traction and stability across different driving conditions. Performance-wise, the Crown Signia is engineered to provide a refined and comfortable ride. The suspension has been tuned to absorb road imperfections with ease, ensuring a smooth driving experience for passengers. At the same time, steering is precise and responsive, allowing the driver to feel confident behind the wheel. The hybrid system delivers seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing power when needed. Whether driving through city streets, highways, or winding country roads, the Crown Signia offers a balanced and enjoyable driving dynamic. Safety is a major highlight of the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, as Toyota has equipped the crossover with its latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite of driver assistance features. This includes advanced technologies such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and automatic high beams. Additionally, the Crown Signia comes standard with blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring drivers are well protected in all scenarios. Optional features like a 360-degree surround view camera system, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and traffic jam assist further enhance convenience and safety, making the Crown Signia one of the most technologically advanced vehicles in its segment. When it comes to practicality, the 2025 Crown Signia does not disappoint. The crossover provides a spacious cargo area that can easily accommodate luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. With the rear seats folded flat, the cargo capacity expands significantly, making it suitable for road trips and family adventures. Toyota has also included smart storage solutions inside the cabin, such as large cup holders, deep door bins, and a roomy center console, ensuring that passengers always have space for their essentials. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is expected to start around $43,000, placing it in a competitive position against other midsize crossovers like the Subaru Outback, Nissan Murano, and even luxury contenders such as the Lexus NX and Acura RDX. Given the Crown Signia's premium features, hybrid efficiency, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, it offers excellent value for money. Higher trims with additional luxury features and premium packages may push the price closer to $50,000, but even at that level, the Crown Signia stands strong as a more affordable alternative to traditional luxury SUVs. The introduction of the 2025 Crown Signia in the U.S. market highlights Toyota's forward-thinking strategy. By phasing out the Venza and replacing it with a more premium model, Toyota is positioning the Crown Signia as a bridge between mainstream and luxury segments. This approach caters to buyers who want more than just a standard crossover. They want elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology without paying luxury brand prices. The Crown Signia embodies this vision perfectly, combining practicality with a premium feel. In terms of competition, the 2025 Crown Signia will face rivals like the Hyundai Santa Fe, Honda Passport, and Ford Edge, while also drawing comparisons with luxury models from Lexus, Acura, and BMW. However, Toyota has carved out a unique niche for the Crown Signia by offering hybrid efficiency as standard, something not all competitors can match. For environmentally conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice luxury or performance, the Crown Signia is an attractive option. Looking ahead, the Crown Signia also represents Toyota's growing emphasis on hybrid and electrified models. With the automotive industry shifting toward electrification, Toyota is making sure its lineup stays ahead of the curve by offering efficient yet capable hybrid systems. While the Crown Signia is not a fully electric vehicle, its strong hybrid performance and fuel savings make it a practical choice for buyers transitioning toward a greener lifestyle. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia is more than just another crossover SUV, it is a bold statement about Toyota's future direction in the American market. With its elegant design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, efficient hybrid powertrain, and comprehensive safety features, the Crown Signia stands as a worthy successor to the Venza while raising the bar for midsize crossovers. It offers buyers the perfect balance of comfort, style, and practicality, all wrapped in a premium package that remains accessible to a wide audience. For those seeking a sophisticated SUV that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with modern luxury, the 2025 Crown Signia is set to be one of the most compelling choices available.